There's something I want to show you guys that's actually picked off online, sorry, on Wish. It's the for DIY for if you're actually gonna do some customization on your vehicle. So these are just those lights. Actually, I'm actually doing it on my vehicle. That's one that you guys can see. I hope you guys can see properly. I just want to show you guys something. As you can see, this is actually the vehicle. You can see at the back, it's collecting a lot of dust. Probably doesn't really, but yeah, that's the channel. So if you guys, this is the first time to the channel, guys, please subscribe. So this is the vehicle. But other than that, guys, I want to show you something. I'm hoping this camera can adjust right in time. So this is the thing that I want to actually show you guys. It's actually LED light. So I'm gonna leave the camera now and try and find the. The spotlights, the park lights, so that I can put these. So I'll just hold on now. So I have managed, guys, to connect them. I'll just actually remove one so we can show you guys. But the problem is that I don't find. So when these things are being sent, so that's there. I already put it in there. So you just need to, just as you can see there, I'm just gonna. They just put it there, and then actually it's got 4 teeth. So you need to put it properly. Let me just show you now, guys. Just hold on. As you can see, it's got these teeth right here. So when you put it like a little bit shifted wise, then there you go. I already put that side. So my issue is I don't have the batteries, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch on the lights for you guys to see what I've done. So now I can't really change them. I don't know why, but I can't really change the lights because I don't have the battery. The battery is actually, the thing came without a battery. I'll show you now. Hold on. So yeah, as you can see, I had to open that. There's no battery there, but yeah, I have actually proven that they work. I just need to get a battery. I want to see if I can actually change them and put them, because these are park lights, so I'm hoping that's where they stay. I'm just gonna put all of them on. Let me see something. Well, they're just putting a small part, but yeah, on this model, I'll check on another model on my Subaru, on the other vehicles. Hey guys, after a long struggle, I managed, as you can see. So like I was saying, I'm just gonna switch off the car. So I've already installed them inside. I removed my park lights, so that's white. So as you can see, this thing has got colors. So if I just change, just say for example, I just want to put red, so and then you have to go to a single light. It's not really, and look, I can find, then I put there, and then if I want to see if I can maybe change from here, and then if I want to make the red to strobe, put it there, then I can make strobe there. So that's the only problem is what I'm seeing, what I don't like about this thing. I don't even like the lighting, it's actually childish. But however, if I'm to, let's see if I can put another color. So you can actually put colors there, so you can actually make it bright or dull. So I'm just gonna reduce there. Look, it goes, then it goes, and then I'm gonna put that on green. Then I'm also gonna put it down. But if I wanna, for example, I wanna put the red here, then actually put the brightness high, and I wanna put maybe white here, and I wanna put the brightness high, and then, oh why, that's nice. Let's see if this is the highest that it can go. Looks like that's the highest. Then I make this one strobe, and then I make this one strobe. So it's not visible. I'm just gonna do a clip at night. It's gonna be like 5 seconds, but oh well, not bad. You can pick this online on Facebook, guys. I don't know, guys are selling it from 50 rand up to 150. I don't know how much which one is. This one's got 2 sets, and the other one comes with. So I can actually put this in any color, green. I don't know what colors these are. I can actually change. The colors are different. So as you can see, I'm changing them. And then that's yellow. But yeah, it's not that awesome. Maybe my headlight is actually not. Some headlights, my headlights has got spaces in my park lights. So maybe some headlights to go through the whole light. But maybe in future I'm just not gonna show it. But I'm not. Then you can switch it off if it annoys you. So I'm sure if you're going through the drags and you're about to drag race, I'm not sure the guys just go. But yeah, I'm not. And then you switch it on, and you put it right there. Then you make sure it's there, and then you maybe put the strobing lights on. And then let's put this one on, and put the strobing lights there. And then you make this, yeah, and just walk a little bit. I don't know what angle you can see this, but awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you for visiting the vlog. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next vlog. I want to do DIY. So on this part of the videos, I just want to be learning how to do some cheap things, like cheap DIYs if you want to customize. But this looks a little bit childish, but I know that guys are actually like it, so enjoy it. I don't think I'm gonna, and I don't know if it's not gonna get you in trouble with the cops. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is for those strobe lights. Actually got the mine from Wish, like I said, but they are there on the market. Guys are selling them. So guys, thank you very much for the vlog. I'll see you again on the next vlog. Peace.